Hey Frameworks friends! We've been pretty busy and creative. Our most recent project was building our infamous Leafy sculpture. The process involves cutting multiple leaves out of fine art paper, dyeing them with freshly brewed black tea, and creating a collage of leafy goodness to encapsulate into a plexi box. This project has been done a few times before, but it's always a fun one. We start off by using our dearest CNC machine to precisely cut and shape each and every leaf. We have a variety of leaves, from monsteras to ginkgos to palms to banana tree leaves. Next, we brewed an abnormally large pot of tea to begin the dyeing process. We selected which leaves to dye and began dyeing them. Creative has never smelled so good. When our leaves were done drying, it was time to begin the collaging process. Ashley chose which leaves would be background, filler, and focus leaves. From there, magic was made. A beautiful collage of tea-dyed leaves was finished, the star of the show being the tiny little monstera leaf right smack in the center. Our last step was to frame it for protection and display. You could have something like this to add to your collection by just messaging us, emailing us, or give us a call. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. As always, be limitless. Love, Frameworks.